G. This is my braiding pattern, you all, and as you can see, I braid my hair to close the gap of the crochet going back. I section each strand of hair 4 or 5 times. I like using smaller pieces of hair to do my crochet, even though it takes longer, but that's my method. It makes the hair looks more natural. It doesn't look that bulky. Today I'll be starting from the back. Normally I'll start from the front and do the invisible crochet method first, but today I'm going from the back. So don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, perfect, pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. Something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, perfect, pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl. This is how one pack of the hair is looking. Now I'm on to the 12-inch, which is the BG color, and I'll be doing the invisible crochet method. And I'll be using just a few strands of hair to give my hair a little touch or a little something. You know what I'm saying, you all. A girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me. Conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines. Fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored.
Few moments later.
Now I am going to add the mousse and trim the hair.
Fields in East Tennessee, timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms because pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my conquering my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy. Baby, I'd go to the sun and back for her. I'd go a thousand.
I am going in with a black mascara to darken the roots of the hair so it can blend with my natural hair. I am going in and removing the excess mascara from the hair. This is the final look, you all, and I used a total of 1.5 packs of the black and just a few strands of the 12-inch. And it took me 1.5 hours somewhere there to complete the entire look, you all. While separating the curls or the strands, there was snow falling all over. But once I had the mousse to the hair, all that snow disappeared. What I like most about this crochet hair, it is soft and nice. It looks natural, but guys, it does tangle, which is expected of synthetic hair. The link to this hair is in the description down below. If you're interested, guys, you can go and check it out. Thank you for watching, and you know I do appreciate you all for watching. Until next time.